Senior Queensland Police have told the CMC hearings into misconduct on the Gold Coast random drug tests for officers would cost too much to introduce. A CMC operation found a number of officers using illicit drugs, including anabolic steroids. But the service's human resources manager said she'd rather have officers on the beat than drug screening their colleagues.
Today, the CMC hearing was told 6 police officers had been using anabolic steroids when they weren't suffering medical conditions. The officers claimed they used the drugs because they felt tired, lethargic and wanted to be bigger.
There can be a tendency in that type of user to mix the drug with other drugs.
Queensland police officers aren't randomly tested for drugs. Senior police say it would cost $500,000 to introduce the screening, and they say it isn't worth it.
I could impossibly employ 4 to 5 more police officers. So the question becomes, what's the balance? What's the cost benefit?
Patricia Jones says officers are made aware that drug use is wrong by posters hung in police stations. They also know there's the possibility of targeted alcohol and drug tests. But since 2005, only 3 officers have been tested for drugs.
In terms of raising awareness, we are doing a significant body of work.
Police recruitment processes again came under scrutiny. The Queensland Police Service's Director of Human Resources called for new legislation that would allow police to better investigate recruits' backgrounds, including their family and friends. The Queensland Police Union says the Gold Coast needs at least 60 more officers with a mix of experience to prevent misconduct.
It's a beautiful place to be, but a terrible place to work.
He claims it's so bad he tried to talk a junior police officer out of working there.
I said, "You're completely mad." I said, "Why would you go there and put up with what you have to put up there? It will destroy your life."
A senior policeman from the Ethical Standards Command and an expert on policing ethics will appear before the hearing tomorrow. Imogen Brennan, ABC News, Brisbane.